If you're looking for a remote job and you don't know how to get started because you have a little to no experiences, well, I understand the feeling of wanting a job and no one is giving you the chance. I've been there myself. I've been in situations and positions before where I really desire a particular job role, but no one is giving me the chance because I have no experiences working in that role, even though I've got certifications to back up that particular job occupation. Today's video is for anyone like you who is in the same situation as I was. You want a remote job, you don't know how to get started, you have no prior experiences working remotely. Please stick with me as today I will be sharing with you the step-by-step guide into getting into remote job and how I myself was able to land my first remote job offer with zero experiences. If you enjoy content as this, please ensure you hit the subscribe button. Stick around as this platform is all about helping you find and land a genuine remote job offer. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, and as you do, God bless you. Today's video, it's very close to home for me, and that is why I would give you the tips and trick in 5 steps on how to chase your job application smarter and approach it confidently for remote jobs. Step number 1 on my list today is to identify what you already know. Now, before you apply for anything, you need to sit down, write out everything you can do. You need to ask yourself questions. Can you write clearly? Can you speak English fluently? Can you organize information? Can you use social media? Can you type fast? Can you manage a schedule? These are questions when you sit, deliberate upon, reflect upon, then it would let you know what skill you currently hold and where you can channel that skill to in a particular job field or role. All of these skills are in high demand in the remote workspace. And truth be told, most often time you already have more than what you can offer, but the fear of applying and thinking and procrastination hasn't allowed you to go into the remote job space for a long time. So the thing is that once you identify your skill, then you can package it properly and you can start applying for remote roles. Step number 2 is to pick one role and focus there. Now, it could be typing, it could be social media content manager, it could be scheduling content for people, it could be email writing, copywriting, and a lot more. So the big mistake I see a lot of beginners do is that they apply everywhere and to anything. I mean, you will see a beginner applying to virtual assistant role, customer support role, social media manager role, content writer role, data entry role, all at the same time. Let me tell you, my brothers and sisters, that is not going to get you a remote job offer because you are scattered, you are not organized. So you need to pick a particular role that you've got advanced skill in and you channel your application into that. Once you focus your energy on getting good at a particular role, I bet you will start getting positive response in your remote job application. Now, once you identify this role, then the next thing is to make sure you build up a good CV and portfolio pertaining your skills on that role. You don't need years of experiences to have a portfolio, by the way, but you need to make sure the example of your works, your skills are all showing, clearly stated on that portfolio, because what this hiring manager sees is your job written on a plain sheet of paper or on a Microsoft document. For instance, if you want a virtual assistant role, you need to create a sample schedule, draft a sample email, put together a simple spreadsheet, show what you can do. I recently hired a virtual assistant for my company, and I will tell you, I hired her based on 3 simple things she did. Number 1, she showed me previous jobs she has done. Number 2, she put in proof of her job. And number 3, she gave me a mock-up of my scheduling workspace, on how she's going to schedule my calendar and all that I do. And if you want a social media management role, you need to create samples. You can post fictional brand using Canva. All of this doesn't require a previous employer, by the way, or a prior experience. It requires you to put in effort and initiative. Now, when a hiring manager sees that you took the time to create examples without being asked, that tells them everything. It shows them that you're ready for this job, and it tells them everything you need to know about your work ethics. Step number 4 is to use the right platform. Very importantly, now you know your skill, you know how to build a portfolio, but not every platforms are open to beginners in the remote workspace. You need to use platforms like Upwork, which is a great beginner-friendly starting point for those who are ready to go into remote job. On here, you pitch directly to clients and let your portfolio and profile speak for you. You can also use platforms like We Work Remotely. On here, they have consistent entry-level remote roles across multiple categories. You can also use Remote OK. At remoteok.com shows you how many people have applied to each listing. So as a beginner, you need to target roles with fewer applicants. And you can use LinkedIn. You search for remote entry-level roles on LinkedIn, filter by date posted, also filter based on location. Step number 5 today is to write a strong application every single time. I do take my job application processes very seriously. I do not see it as, let me just do it. If I want to apply for a job, I'm going to make out the time. I'm going to stay in a very settled environment, and I'm going to apply diligently. Ensure you read the job description carefully, okay? And make sure you tailor every of your application to that job description. See, the truth is that one strong tailored application would always beat 10 generic ones. Please don't use AI or ChatGPT to create your CV. CV should be something you put in effort. So if you're looking for something you just want to do fast, it's not going to work for you. Put in effort and do this well. It is something you need, so spend time, do it really well. Step number 6 today is to start small and build your track record. I've seen so many persons wanting to go into remote job, and all of a sudden the first job you're applying for are bigger roles. I'm like, why? Take on smaller project first, build your reviews, rating on platforms, and get your testimonial, gather feedback, start applying to smaller roles before bigger roles. Now, if you enjoy this video thus far, and if you find any value on this video thus far, if you are a job seeker looking to go into remote job and you haven't been successful thus far, I do believe this video may or has given you clarity in a way or two. All I ask in return is for you to please hit the like button of this video. It genuinely helps this channel grows. From my analytic, there's over 70% viewers who comes back to watch my video, yet they are not subscribed. So please hit the like button, stay subscribed, drop in the comment below and tell me what remote role you are going for, what job you're currently applying to. I read all comments. I promise you I read all comments, and I try my best to reply each one of them. So I am looking forward to hearing from you in the comment section. I really want to connect with you and see what best content I could bring on here that would help you in this journey of yours. And the last step to successfully go into remote workspace is to be consistent. Consistency. I honestly cannot overemphasize on how consistency would scale you through faster above your peers in all that you do, even if it is not just remote job seeking, but in all that you do, you need to be consistent. So consistently apply and I wish you the best. Thank you once again for tuning in. See you in my next one. For now, have a good day and take care.